We will guide you through how to make digital signature in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, find your browser icon on the desktop, then double-click the icon to launch the browser. After the browser opens, click inside the address bar and type Photopea. Press Enter on your keyboard to start the search. When the search results appear, select the top option, 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗏. Select Open from Computer to access the photos you want to use for creating a digital signature. Browse through your computer folders. Click on the photos you want to use, then select Open option to open them in Photopea. Once the editing workspace is ready, press Ctrl and 0 together on your keyboard to fit the canvas to your screen and make the image easier to view. To create a digital signature, continue by following the next steps carefully. Go to the Channels panel, which is located next to the Layers panel. In the Channels panel, hold down the Control key on your keyboard, then click once on the thumbnail of the blue channel. This action will create a selection based on the information in the selected channel. Next, open the Select menu option located above the editing workspace. From the available menu options, select Inverse to reverse the active selection. You can also use a keyboard shortcut to perform the same action more quickly. Press Ctrl, Shift, and I together on your keyboard to invert the selection without opening the Select menu. After completing this step, return to the Layers panel. Open the new Adjustment Layer menu located below the Layers panel. Choose Color Fill from the available adjustment options. Then select the color you want to apply to your digital signature. Confirm the selected color, and the signature effect will appear on your image. You have now learned how to make a digital signature in Photopea.